vlog. Today is March 3, currently 10:30 AM and nandito pa rin kami sa Citadines QC. Pupunta muna kami dun sa condo sa Alabang. After that, sasabay na sa akin si Mama papunta sa Evia because we have our nail appointments today. So yung sa akin is sa Nail Tropics. Nagawa nila ako ng mga nails good for the Taylor Swift concert. Kasi malapit na! Na-excite na ako. It's this week, guys! Yung gusto kong style is this one. So, inspired siya sa Lover era ni Taylor Swift. Let's go and check out and go to Evia. Okay guys, nasa Evia na tayo and nagutom ako. So, I went to Popeyes. 1 PM kasi yung appointment ko dun sa Nail Tropics. So, let's eat! Hi guys! So, it's currently March 4. Before I show you kung ano na yung kalagayan ng luggage ko ngayon, I'll show you my nails. Ayan, ulit. Hee! Natutuwa talaga ako sa itsura ng nails ko. So, yung gamit ni Ken, hindi pa ayos because I'm gonna let him fix his stuff. Ayoko mga ilam sa gamit niya. But mine is already done. Hindi lang siya naka-pack. But you know what? Papakita ko na nga lang. Wait. 2 luggages ang dadalhin namin. And then the bed, madaming mga gulo-gulo. So currently, nandito na kami sa Jewel and alam nyo, kahit ilang beses na akong bumalik sa Singapore, ito pala yung first time kong pumunta dito. Pag first time nyo dito, maganda kapag pumunta kayo ng 2 levels up, so level 3. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda ng view. Wait. Oh. Tapos makikita mo talaga lahat ng walang mga tao around. So ngayon, on the way na kami sa hotel kasi kakatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch. Never pa ako nag-MRT from the airport to the hotel. Medyo mahabang lakad daw to, 10 to 15 minutes walk. And si Ken with the luggages. Puro lakad lang muna gagawin namin until we reach the MRT. Okay? So ito yung entrance ng Hotel Calmo. Okay, saktong-sakto. Oh, may escalator pala tong hotel namin. Oh, second floor lang. Okay, so yung room namin ay room 226. Ayan, dami pa pala dito. Dulo? Oh, here. It's open. Oh. Okay, so yung CR. Oh, okay. So, nandito kami sa bus stop and hinihintay namin yung bus papuntang Fullerton Hotel kasi pupuntahan namin yung Merlion Park kasi first time niya pumunta doon. So, tinutour ko talaga siya sa Singapore. Bakit hindi mo first time? Hindi mo first time?
Kumaganti ka
hindi mo first time? Okay lang yan kasi matagal na ako hindi nakapunta din doon. So, babalikan natin siya. Ito yung app na nakatulong sa akin dati and pinapagamit ko kay Ken ngayon. So, yun. Very, very useful yun. So, ngayon nandito kami sa Succulent Garden. Anong tinuro mo? Yung gemstone? Hindi naman yun.
So, we ordered watermelon salad and cappuccino.
Hindi ako ganyan magsalita. So, para pala pumunta kasi dito, may parang reservation ata. And since hindi naman sila fully booked, pinayagan kami magstay dito for 30 minutes. Tada! So, ito na yung watermelon salad. Lahat nitong mga watermelon cubes na to, walang seeds. Galing. Amazed!
Amazed ako. Galing, galing.
Kailangan kong i-accept na ganun lang siya ma-excite. Excited na yan, masaya na yan. Merong walk dyan. It's called the Cloud Walk. Tapos makikita mo yung overview of the place. guys, so it is currently 8:48 p.m. and kaka-uwi lang namin dito sa room. Ilan ba yung steps na nagawa ko today? Okay. Oh my God! 21,749 steps! Magliligo na ako and then mag-aayos na ako ng gamit. So, yon. Good night, guys. Hindi pala kami pupunta ng zoo today. Chinek ko yung calendar or yung notes ko kanina. And sa Universal Studios pala kami pupunta! Yay! So, medyo matchy kami. Wait lang! So, medyo matchy kami ngayon. Black. Ayan. And white shoes. I have my bag here. And we are ready to go!
Wow, I've never seen this kind of magic mirror before. Does it talk back?
No,
Does it?
It doesn't.
What's the point of this magic mirror then?
You don't like it?
I don't know
You're
how
not
to
happy.
Okay.
Okay, that's nice. A fighting pose.
How about a karate hold it?
Ah, beautiful.
Yeah, well, that was a weird experience. No one's ever asked you to do that.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Katapos lang namin pumunta dun sa mommy ride, which is my favorite ride.
Same.
Yun na, so far yun na rin favorite ride niya. Sabi guys, ang init dito ngayon. Kakain muna kami guys. Good day, their dots.
Hello, everyone! Welcome to our
Nag-stop kami dito sa Transporters Ride. Nag-stop. Bumili kami nito. Ito yung Shrek Waffle. Tapos meron itong Häagen-Dazs na berry-berry ang pinuli naming flavor. Kung gusto niya ng chocolate sauce, may additional $1. So, it's currently 5:45 p.m. and nandito na kami sa hotel. Sana, sa March 9, which is the concert, hindi maging ganito yung weather. Oh my gosh, please, talaga sana hindi ganito. Ngayon, wala naman na, nag-stop na. Pero it's still very gloomy. Good morning! It's currently 10:17 a.m. and March 8 na ngayon. Tomorrow na yung concert. Currently, andito kami sa may Haji Lane. So, kakain muna kami dito. Andito kami sa restaurant, Chinese restaurant called Prince Coffee House. Okay, pagkain na naman, late lunch. Good morning! It's currently March 9 and 9:56 a.m. na pero nakaayos na ako with my outfit for the concert. Yung hair ko, hindi ko pa siya inaayos kasi pupunta ako doon sa binook ko sa Klook, yung Style 39 or Label 39. Basta doon ako pupunta kasi parang mas trip ko yung wavy hair. And meron akong binili sa Chian. This is yung mga parang butterfly clips. Ito, Chian din yan. Hopefully, mag-stick siya until mamaya. Parang yung ano lang siya, yung glue mismo galing dun sa packaging niya. Meron na rin ako mga friendship bracelets dito. Si Ken kasi hindi siya naka-outfit. So, bibigyan ko na lang din siya ng friendship bracelets. Yun na lang din yung ano niya, parang costume niya.
Falling in love is so embarrassing. You never recognize when you're...
I'm so excited! Pero hindi ko madadala tong camera na to kasi bawal, ang daming bawal. Bawal tripod, bawal yung professional camera, bawal yung mga bag na madaming compartments. So, sakto, dadalhin ko lang naman yung aking Uniqlo dumpling bag. Ang dinala ko lang for the concert are, syempre, our passports, this pamaypay that we got from Citadines, wipes, MAC lipstick, comb, wallet, cash, mints, may pabango. Tapos na yung paggawa ko ng hair. Nagtalagay na ako ng butterflies dito. Here's what it looks like. Super cute. Nakikita nyo to, bumili ako ng parang pang cover up kasi parang feel ko mahuhulog tong dress ko. Ewan ko yung sasta parang may problema. So, bumili ako ng ganito. Dun lang sa Lumin, yung pangalan niya. Pwede ko rin naman siyang gamitin sa Pilipinas kasi cover up lang naman siya. So now, nandito kami sa Bones and Slaw para kumain ng lunch. Heavy na namin kasi tuloy-tuloy na kami mamaya.
Yeah, please come forward. Please come forward.
It's currently 3:11 p.m. and ang haba na ng pila, as you can see. Sobrang init. Hindi ko alam na pwede pala yung fan na ano. So, ito lang yung dinala ko. Yung mano-manong pamaypay. Okay, next step. Going to gate 9 para i-check yung ticket. Thank you! Yay! Oh my God! Looks like that was a great scene.
Even dressing, trying to ease the tension, but you got me stressing, feeling like I'm needing cold. I think I'm getting it, but I forgot it. Don't say I can't go.
it's currently 3:04 p.m. Na-delay yung flight namin. We are riding via Scoot. Dapat 2:30 p.m. pa talaga yung flight. Pero, ewan ko kung anong nangyari. Bumili muna ako dun sa duty free. So, bumili ako ng ganito. So, madami siyang ports. Parang 10. Okay guys, so after 4 hours, nandito na kami finally back in Manila. Sobrang saya ng Singapore trip ko. Not only because concert yun ni Taylor Swift, but also because syempre, nag-travel ulit kami international ni Ken. So yun, I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is still part of my spend the week with me. So ito yung week 2 ko. Wala naman ako ibang mapapakita kasi kinukuha na lang namin yung luggage namin dito. So yun, thank you guys for watching and please like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next week!